So you're looking at buying a Zippo. Well, what's with all these different colors and different styles of chrome? I'm going to show you. Let's go ahead and start off left to right. The brass. You can see my reflection in it. This is just your ordinary brass Zippo, and they all start out this way. Next is the most boring of the chrome, in my opinion, the street chrome. You see the scratches going any and everywhere. It's made to look like it's been used. This is the one I carry every day. One of the cheapest ones. So I just let it dangle in my pocket, whichever. Then you have your high polished chrome. Once again, you can see me in it. It's just basically a mirror shine. Next, we have brush chrome. You can see the chrome as it was being brushed on side to side. I guess it can go up and down too, but I have not seen it yet. Next, satin chrome. You can see the thousands and thousands of little flakes, I guess you would call it. I only have 2 of these that are licensed by the Marines anyway. Then we have our colors. We got black matte. I was calling these mattes before. They're spelled M-A-T-T-E, but matte just means of color, of a color, of a paint. So these are just painted. Black, red, blue, green is all the colors I have, but they're unlimited. Okay, this one is an armor. A lot of people prefer these, but because they engrave them a lot deeper than they can, say, something like that. So, people prefer these, but I don't carry this one because, well, it costs $80. All armors are expensive. So, and then next up, black crackle. Now, according to the Zippo website, they tell you how they used to make it, but how they make it now, well, it is a metal Zippo underneath, just a metal lighter, and then they have their own creation to put this on, and that's pretty much all they say. So I guess this is done in a laundromat, not in Bradford, Pennsylvania, but somewhere in New Mexico, in the basement of a laundromat. 2 guys down there, apparently they make the coating for the black crackle. And last one I have here is black ice. I confused this at first for high polish chrome, but you can actually see it's got that darker tint to it. It's pretty strange, but I like it. And that sums it up. See you next time.